India's first animator live tuition. Hello everyone, all my lovely kids were waiting for me, right? I knew it. So how are you guys doing? You can give me a heart if you are doing great today, okay? So I'm waiting for the hearts. If you're doing great and you're 100% happy, you can give me the hearts. Oh, I can see those lovely hearts over there. Very good. Good job. So, how much happy you are now? How much happy you are? You can tell me that in the percentage, okay? How much happy you are now? Is that 100% or 1%? What is it? Hi, hello. Abid is like a broken heart. Why, Abid? Who broke your heart over there? 50%, 100%. Tired. Why are you so tired? We are just beginning the class, right? I got 70% in total. Okay, fine. So be happy always, as I always tell, okay? So keep smiling and be happy always, okay? No matter what. Alright. So, am I audible and visible to everyone? You can give me a thumbs up. You can give me a thumbs up if I am audible. Yes, very good. So, do you remember what we have taught in the previous session? What was the chapter? What was the chapter, Sid? Sid, what was our chapter? The animation? What was the chapter? What was the chapter that we were dealing with? Do you remember that? How many of you remember?
Let's ask the students first, ma'am.
Let's ask the students first. Vishak sir is like, did we discuss any chapter yesterday, ma'am? And he was so confused over there. Let's take it up. Only 2 students know what was the chapter. We have so many answers over there.
Yes.
And the animation. See, the chapter was nothing but, see, Vishak sir is playing over there. Vishak sir, I'm gonna kick you out from the class, okay? Alright.
Vishak sir is waiting for everyone to come.
Everyone to comment. So if everyone comments, here we go with the chapter Atoms and the Molecules. Tada! The chapter that we were dealing with was nothing but atoms and molecules. And I told you I will ask you second remove. Thank you. And I told you I will ask questions in the next class. Am I right? Yes. Ma'am, can you please unmute one for me?
Okay, let's unmute Ethan.
Ethan, don't forget impositions are coming, so please answer my questions. Okay. Ethan, hello there. Ethan? Hello, how are you doing?
Just a second.
Ethan? Ethan, how are you doing? Doing good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so shall I ask question?
I'm not ready.
He's not ready.
You're not ready? But I'll make you ready, okay? So if you don't answer, I told you, right? You have to study and come to the class. So I'm going to ask the question. Is this the correct representation of aluminium?
Ma'am?
Is this the correct representation for aluminium?
No, ma'am.
No? Then how can we represent aluminium?
The L should be small.
L should be small, like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, we escaped from the imposition. Very good. Good job. Ma'am, the next one.
Okay. Let's unmute Humays.
Hermes? Hermes? Hello. You look like a pilot. Alright. Is this the correct representation of gold? No. Then how can we represent gold instead? AG. AG is gold? Then what is silver? Silver is AG, then what is gold? AR? AR, really? Then what is argon? I'll give you one more chance, okay? If you don't answer me, definitely I'm gonna give you the imposition no matter what. So, one more chance. Tell me what is the symbol for gold? Tell me. Okay, first letter is A, as you have guessed. Yes, what will be the second letter? It is there in molecules. It's there in molecules. Now find it. Don't tell me AE. No. AM? Gold? No! We have a lot of answers in the comment box and you're gonna write this 5 times, okay? Alright, so gold is AU, okay? Oh, she was like, oh, I knew it, ma'am. I knew it. I was not able to say it. But alright, no worries, okay? Just write it for 5 times, that's it. So it is AU, don't forget that again, okay? Alright, and we already talked about what? The atomic mass, right? Atomic mass. And let's take it out, okay? So I have to weigh, what vegetables will I take? My favorite oranges, okay? Let's take oranges. I have to weigh oranges, okay? I have orange over here. So in order to weigh orange, what should I take first? First of all, I have to weigh 1 kilogram of orange. So first of all, I have to take what? I have to take 1 kilogram stone first, right? 1 kg stone. This is my stone, okay? This is my 1 kg stone. Let me write that. This is nothing but 1 kilogram stone. So by using the 1 kg stone, I can weigh my oranges. Right? Here we go with the oranges. So 5 orange will be equal to 1 kilogram of stone. 1 kilogram of stone. So I can easily write like, I hope you remember all these things. So easily I can write it as mass of vegetables. Mass of vegetables will be equal to 1 kilogram. Am I right? I can write that's 1 kg. That is not vegetables, right? So oranges. Okay. 1 kilogram of oranges is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. This is orange. Okay. Short form of orange. Consider that as a short form of orange. Now, mass of oranges is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. Yes. We have a surprise in the middle. Okay. So we'll be having a surprise and name. I forgot the name, ma'am.
It is Chanya.
Chanya, from Chanya we will be having a surprise. Okay, Chanya, be ready with that. Okay, yes, in the middle. After studying the atomic mass, of course. And mass of oranges is equal to 1 kilogram. Now, 1 kilogram stone is considered as what? 1 kilogram of stone? That's a triangle, not the stone, ma'am. Yeah, it's a kind of stone, okay? An expensive stone, you know. I'm super powerful, so I can bring so many super powerful stones. So this is a super powered stone, okay? Consider that as a super powered stone, black stone, okay? So this 1 kilogram stone, what is that? So this 1 kilogram stone can be considered as the standard unit. Okay, we have what? A standard unit to measure the weight of something for the substances. Okay, so what will be having? A standard unit. Okay, 1 kilogram can be considered as what? Standard unit. Okay, now she done writing that?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Okay, good job. I hope you will never forget that again. Now, the mass of oranges is nothing but relative mass. This is called as what? Relative mass. Relative mass. So, we are relating the mass of oranges or any other substance with the 1 kilogram stone. So, mass of oranges is considered as the relative mass and the stone is nothing but our standard unit. Okay, this is how we weigh something. Am I right? Yes. Birthday. Whose birthday, Nirmai? Is that your birthday?
No, you said no, there's a surprise from Chandy. I thought it's her birthday.
Okay, you guessed that as a birthday, but wrong. No, that's a surprise. I'll not tell that anyway. It's not a birthday, okay? Alright, so this is how we weigh some substances, okay? Now, we are talking about atoms and molecules. We don't have to know about other substances like orange. We don't have to study about that, of course. And unless it's maths, we are not studying any maths over here, right? In maths, I have seen so many questions like we have 5 kilogram of oranges and that much, calculate something. Calculate x and y. I know those kind of substances or the problems in maths. Since we are not studying maths, we have to weigh atoms. Okay, Diwali celebrations. Wait for it. Okay. Now, our major question: is it possible to weigh one atom? Is it possible? We already studied it, right? Ma'am, did you see Dragon Ball? It didn't got enough time, I was quite busy. Alright. So is it possible to weigh atom? Yes, of course we can do that. Of course we can do that. So that is called as the atomic mass. Mass of an atom is called as atomic mass. Of course, we can weigh some atoms. And each atoms, we have different types of atoms, right? So each type of atom will be having different masses. Each element has characteristic atomic mass. And in order to weigh the atomic mass of an element, we have to take some standard units or the standard reference. As we take 1 kilogram of stone, right? We took 1 kilogram of stone for weighing 1 kilogram of orange. That was the standard unit or the standard reference. Now, can we weigh an atom by using a stone? Can we do that? Of course, no, we cannot weigh an atom or an element by using a stone. Of course, no, perfect, no. So what we are gonna take? Instead of 1 kilogram stone, we have another one called as carbon 12 isotope. We have what? Carbon 12 isotope. We take carbon 12 as the standard reference for measuring the atomic mass. For measuring the atomic mass, we will take what? We will take carbon 12 as the reference or the standard unit. Okay. Now, in order to measure the mass of a substance, the unit was kilogram. The unit was kilogram, right? In order to weigh something, the unit of that mass is nothing but kilogram. But in the case of atoms are tiny particles. We cannot even see them, right? They are so tiny. So we cannot use, of course, we cannot use kilogram. Instead, what we are going to use? Kiddos, what are we going to use instead of kilogram? What is the unit of atomic mass? What is the unit of atomic mass? And I want the answer from everyone, okay? And I want the answer from everyone. I don't want anyone sitting there like watching movie. I'm not playing any movie. I'm not acting over here. I'm good at acting, but now I'm not acting. I'm teaching. So you should study and you should respond to me. Very good. So the unit of atomic mass is nothing but AMU. Atomic mass unit. I'll tell you what is AMU later. Now, just remember AMU is the unit of atomic mass, or simply we can just write U instead of AMU. According to latest IUPAC, we nowadays use U instead of AMU, okay? U is nothing but unified mass, okay? Now, it is also called U. Of course, it is also called as U. So, U is the atomic mass of what? Unit of atomic mass. Now the next thing that we have to take as nothing but what? Carbon 12, right? Of course, we want what? Carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 isotope. Why is it called as 12? Why is it called as 12? Because the atomic mass of carbon is equal to what? Can you tell, ma'am? Can you please unmute one for me?
Okay, let's unmute. Tirtha.
Tirtha, hello there. Tirtha is like, oh my god, did she call me? Yes, Tirtha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello there. Can you tell me what is the atomic mass of carbon?
12.
12? Just simply 12? Or is there anything else with that 12? 12 burgers, right? Or 12 sandwiches?
12 protons.
12 protons, really? I didn't mean that. The unit, what is the unit of atomic mass?
AMU.
AMU, very good. What is that confusion over there? She was really thinking burgers, ma'am? Really? Alright, it is 12 AMU. So atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 AMU. Now consider we have a pizza, okay? I'm good at drawing, you know. This is my pizza, somewhat like a pizza, right? No, it's not looking like pizza. Now, let me add something. It's kind of pizza, okay? Looking like pizza, right? Or do you want to add the red in between? This is my pizza, okay? Exactly looks like a pizza. Now, right, kiddos? Yes, looks like an atom of carbon. No, that was my pizza, okay? Now, I have an entire pizza and we have 12 friends over here. So what I will do, I will cut that into 12 equal pieces. We have 12 friends over here. So what I'm going to do? I'm so good at sharing things, you know. So I decided to share my pizza with everyone, okay? So what I will do, I will cut this into 12 equal parts, okay? 2, 3, I hope there is 12 equal parts. I don't have time to count it, okay? There are 12 pieces, okay? There are 12 pieces of pizza. And this, let's take one pizza, that was my slice, okay? So that is exactly called as one slice of pizza, right? One slice, okay? That's about my pizza. Now what, you guys are so hungry, right? Are you guys hungry? Mahima ma'am is like, yes, I am so hungry, ma'am. Give one slice to me.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's take another example, okay? Let's take another example. We have the clock, right? We have the clock. This is my kind of clock, okay? Clock. We'll be having 12 hours in it, right? 12. So if we cut them into 12, we will get 1 hour, right? 1 hour. So 12 can be divided into 12 and one part is 1 hour and one piece is one slice. Likewise, let's cut the carbon atoms. Okay, let's cut the carbon atom into 12 equal parts. We are going to cut the carbon into 12 equal parts. Let's cut it, sir. Sir, let's cut it, okay? I'm hungry, but I don't like pizza. Very unique pizza, of course. Very unique pizza. Yes, sir. I mean the carbon 12. So what we are gonna do? We are gonna cut the carbon into 12 equal pieces. I don't like atoms for dinner. Atoms are good tasting, you know, finger licking good. You should taste some atoms. Alright. It has pineapple as topping. You got it, right? Yes, it was my pineapple pizza. Yes. I was hungry before you're drawing it. Now it feels like I don't have to eat it. My pizza is a kind of, yes sir. Pizza is so yummy because I made it, okay? So pose there, okay? No sir, plate. Now pose it. Now, I have what? I have a weighing balance over here. Weighing balance. In one plate, I have one atom of carbon and in another plate, I have again another atom of carbon. Okay, so totally I have 2 atoms of carbon. And both of them are equally weighing. Both of them are in equilibrium. Both of them are weighing the same. Both of them are weighing the same. Now, that means mass of that carbon atom and mass of this carbon atom are exactly the same. That means, say, don't play around. So, the mass of that carbon atom and mass of this carbon atom is exactly what? Exactly 14, right? 14? No, ma'am, no, it is 12. Yes, so both the atoms will be having 12 as the atomic mass. Both of them have 12 as the mass. So that they weigh exactly the same. Now the next step, what we are going to do? What is the next step? What is the next step? Take the carbon atom and ask, how are you? That's the next step, right? Of course not. We are going to cut it. Is everyone listening to me? Yes. Ma'am, can I know the name of the first one over there in the last?
That's our Chania.
Huh?
That is our Chania.
Oh, Chanya. She was really happy and I was like, oh, very good. She was so happy to say that. Yes, ma'am, I'm listening with a confidence. I love you. I loved your smile, okay? Yes, now let's keep on going. Sir, what's the next step? Cut it! Very good. 12 pieces. We are going to cut the carbon into 12 equal pieces. If you want, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have 12 equal pieces. We have what? 12 equal pieces. Now, I can write it as you can see, both of them are weighing the same, right? Both of them are weighing the same. So, I can write it as, what can I write? Mass of one carbon, 12 atom. Bear with my handwriting, I know it's really good. Mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU, right? Mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU. Now, I cutted that carbon atom into 12 equal pieces. I have now 12 equal pieces. So, let's take one out from this. Okay, let's take one out from this and one out from this 12 carbon atom. Okay, one carbon atom, one piece of the carbon atom is here. So what will be the mass of that one carbon atom? One unit of carbon atom? What will be the mass of this one carbon atom? Very good. If the entire thing is 12 AMU, 1 out of the 12 will be equal to 1 AMU exactly. Yes, that's it. Very good. 1 AMU or just 1 U. Okay, 1 U or 1 AMU. So let me repeat that again. The carbon, we cutted carbon into 12 equal pieces. And the carbon atom will be having 12 AMU. And I took 1 out from that. And that was exactly equal to 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Okay. Now, what can I write 1 AMU as? What will be 1 AMU now? 1 AMU is the 1 unit of carbon, right? It was 1 AMU was equal to 1 unit of carbon, or else I can write it as it is 1 out of 12 parts. 1 out of the mass of carbon 12, right? 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12. Did you understand this much? Is it clear so far? Can you give me a thumbs up or a high five? Yeah, I'm expecting a high five from everyone. Give me a high five if it's clear. Very good. Everything is clear so far. So, yes, I can remove it now. Now, we want the definition for AMU. What is AMU now? AMU is nothing but atomic mass unit. AMU. Atomic mass unit. Okay, what is AMU now? That is nothing but mass unit equal to exactly 1 by 12th of the mass of 1 carbon 12 isotope. That means 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 the mass of 1. What was that? Wait a second. Mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Okay, that is exactly equal to 1 AMU. So what is 1 AMU? We cutted that into 12 pieces, right? This was the 1 carbon atom. We cut that into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We had 12 pieces and out of those 12 pieces, I took 1 out and that one was nothing but 1 AMU. Okay, that is 1 AMU. So what is 1 AMU? Mass unit exactly equal to 1 by 12 the mass of one carbon atom is called as 1 AMU. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Yes, Abid. Ma'am, can you please unmute Abid for me?
Yes.
The first one only.
Yes.
Abid, do you have any concern? Abid?
You're not audible, Abid.
Abid, you're not audible for us. Can you please unplug the headset if you are disconnected it? Abid, you're not audible. Can you text it in the comment box? Abid, doubt in the comment box, okay? Yes. So, I'm going to explain this again. We had one carbon atom. We cut that one carbon atom into 12 pieces. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 pieces. 12 equal parts. Okay. Now, the mass of one carbon atom was 12 AMU as we have already learned. Now, if I cut those into 12 pieces, the one piece out, okay, if I take one piece out, 12 divided by 12, it will be 1, right? So it is 1 AMU. One part, one piece or one part or one unit of the carbon is 1 AMU. Okay, that's it. As soon as it's clear, 1 unit of the 12 is called as 1 AMU. So I can write as 1 upon 12, okay? Yes, that's it. That's it. Okay, now using these small units, we are gonna measure the masses of different atoms. Okay, now what we are gonna do? We are gonna measure the weight or the mass of different elements. Now we have small units, right? We take this as the standard unit. Told you, right? The standard unit is nothing but AMU. By using the standard unit, we are going to weigh the mass of different elements. So, let's take the first element, okay? This is atomic mass unit, okay? Now, let's take the first element. Say the animation for us. Hydrogen, okay? Which is our first element? As we know, it's hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element. So, let's take hydrogen first, okay? And weigh it, okay? Yes. So, let's bring a weighing machine again or weighing balance again. Yes. So here we have a weighing balance and hydrogen in one plate. Now we have to measure the mass of that hydrogen atom. What we are going to do? We are going to measure the mass of that one hydrogen atom. So I told you for the standard unit we have what? We have the units of carbon, right? The small units of carbon. So let's take 1 out of the 12. Okay, let's take 1 out of the 12 carbon atoms and let's put it over there. Ta-da! They exactly balance. They balance, right? They are balanced now. That means mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 unit of carbon. Let's write it, okay? So what can I write that? Mass of hydrogen atom. Okay, we can write it as mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 unit of carbon 12 atom. Okay, we took 1 out from the 12 and put it in the plate. It was equally weighed. So that means, yes ma'am?
What is
Atomic mass unit? I told you, right? In the previous slide. This one.
Yeah.
Do you want this?
Ashlyn?
Ashlyn, this is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is nothing but 1. 1 out from the 12 is 1 AMU. That is atomic mass unit, okay?
Yeah. She was asking what is mass unit? The unit of like the first.
Mass unit is nothing but mass of that thing, okay? This is nothing but AMU, mass unit. Okay, mass unit. One thing, one piece is the mass unit, 1 unit, the mass of 1 unit. Okay, that's it. Nothing complicated, okay? Mass of 1 unit is mass unit, okay? Yes, sir. We can play that again. Yes, so we can write it as mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 unit of carbon 12. Yes, sir. So 1 unit of carbon 12. So hydrogen was equally weighing to the 1 unit of carbon 12. We know that 1 unit, wait a second. 1 unit of carbon 12. What was 1 unit of carbon 12? What was the weight of or the mass of 1 unit of carbon 12? Ma'am, can you please unmute one for me?
Okay, let's unmute Shifa.
Shifa, what was the mass of 1 unit of carbon 12? Shifa?
Shifa is not audible.
Not audible. I can read your lips. Now tell me. I can read your lips on your fingertips. Tell me. Did I say 1 U? Yes, right? Very good. So, 1 unit of carbon 12 atom will be exactly equal to 1 AMU. Very good, Shifa. That's it. So, 1 unit of carbon 12 is equal to 1 AMU. That means, sir, you can remove the animation from me, okay? So, that means mass of hydrogen atom or the atomic mass of hydrogen atom is equal to what? Atomic mass of hydrogen atom is equal to what? Of course, it will be equal to 1 AMU, or according to the newest IUPAC, it should be named as 1U, right? So atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1U. Now, this was the standard and this was the reference, right? Because we related the mass of a element with the carbon 12. So we related it. This is exactly called as relative atomic mass. We related the atomic mass of an element with the units of carbon. So this is called as what? Relative atomic mass. Now I'm going to give you the definition for the relative atomic mass. Ta-da! What is relative atomic mass? The average mass of an atom. We are relating the mass of an atom by using carbon 12 atom, that is relative atomic mass. Okay, we are relating it. So that is called as relative atomic mass. So what is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen? What is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen now? Ma'am, time to unmute another one.
Let's unmute Kevin.
Kevin, can you tell me what is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 1 by 12.
1 by 12 was equal to how much AMU? It is 1 AMU itself,
1
right?
AMU.
Yes,
1 AMU.
1 AMU, exactly. Very good. So, relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 AMU. That is relative atomic mass, okay? That's it. Now, what we are going to do next? Let's take another element. Then you will be so clear with that. Okay, sir, another element. Let's take, do you want oxygen or nitrogen next? Do you want oxygen or nitrogen next? Tell me. Everyone is going ahead with surprise. And where's the surprise say? Surprise, it is nitrogen. Okay, let's go ahead with the nitrogen. Now, in order to measure the weight or the mass of the nitrogen, we have to take the small units of carbon first, right? So let's take it out. Yes, sir. Let's count it together. Okay, let's count it together. We are taking 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 12 was not enough. So what we did, we cut another carbon atom and took 2 units from there and put it over here. So it was exactly equal to 14 units of carbon. Okay, it was 14 units of carbon. So how can we write it? How can we write in the words? Mass of nitrogen. You can write along with me, okay? You are not watching movie, right? So you can write along with me. Mass of 1 nitrogen atom. Mass of 1 nitrogen atom is equal to very good 14 units or 14 units of carbon 12, or those 14 units are exactly equal to 4 AMU. AMU. Right? 14 AMU. Now, how can we write it? So you can remove it, okay? So how can we write it now? How can we write it now? Atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 AMU. Ta-da! How easy, right? So this is nothing but relative atomic mass of nitrogen, because we are relating the mass. We are not exactly calculating anything. We are just relating it, okay? So relating the mass of nitrogen with the carbon 12 atom, so that I can just tell that the relative atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 AMU. 14 AMU. Okay. 1 by 14 or 1 by 12 for carbon 12. For the carbon 12, it is 1 by 12. Okay, 1 AMU. Exactly. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 mass of 1 carbon 12. That is 1 AMU. Okay, that is 1 AMU. Okay. Now, what is the next thing? Let's take another one. Okay, let's take another one. Oxygen, as we have taught. Okay, let's take oxygen. Now, I'm gonna weigh the oxygen. Okay, so in order to weigh the oxygen, okay, here I have the weighing balance. Consider I have the weighing balance over here. And I took the oxygen. And I was putting the units of carbon. Okay, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. But it was not balancing. The oxygen was weighing more. So it was not balanced. So what I did, I added 4 more. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. When I added 16 units of carbon, of carbon, it was equally weighing. So that I can write it as mass of oxygen atom is equal to 16 units of what? Units of carbon 12, or I can simply write it as 16 AMU, or the atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU, or 16 U unified mass. Okay. What is that, ma'am? All right. What about in fraction? What fraction do you want? This one, do you want to explain this in fraction? You don't have to study this in a fraction, it is complicated, okay? You don't have to study that. Or else you can just write it as 16 by 12, the mass of 1 carbon atom. Mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. This is complicated, you don't have to study this, okay? Just write it as 12 AMU. That's more than enough. Okay, is this much clear for everyone? Likewise, can you move a bit? Of course I can. So that's equal to 16 AMU. So mass of 1 hydrogen atom is equal to 1 AMU. Mass of 1 nitrogen atom, or the atomic mass of 1 nitrogen atom, is equal to 14 AMU, and the atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU. So by using the units of carbon 12, we can measure, or we can relate the mass of different atoms. This is how we will calculate the atomic mass for the elements. Okay, just understand what is 1 AMU, and that's all they are going to ask from this. Okay, they might be asking what is atomic mass unit. Okay, that's all the thing that is asked from this portion, I guess. So there's nothing else. Just study what is AMU. Okay, just study what is atomic mass unit. It should be clear for everyone. You should study that. Okay, no matter what, you should know what is AMU. 1 AMU is nothing but mass exactly equal to the mass of 1 unit of carbon 12 atom. Okay. Yes, Kashanat, that was just assumptions. Okay. Yes. That's it. Until atomic mass. Alright, fine. So that's about the atomic mass unit. Now I will give you a few examples for the atomic mass unit, and I will tell you a trick to find out the atomic masses, okay? And that will be better in the next chapter. In the upcoming chapter, we have to study the atomic mass unit or the mass number, where I will explain a trick for you, okay? And it will be very nice. That trick is awesome. So I will tell you that in the next unit. Otherwise, you might be confused with that. In the next chapter, we will get to know what is Z, what is A, so that we can study in a better way. Now, if this much clear for everyone, can you give me a fist bump?
Yeah, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand, okay?
If you have
Comment
any
in the
doubt,
comment box.
raise your hand. Otherwise, give me a fist bump. Yes, everyone there giving me a fist bump. Oh, very good, very good.
Then we have a hand raise. You can comment.
I saw you in a YouTube video. Kevin, what was that YouTube video, by the way? I forgot to tell you one thing. You know what? We are going a live on YouTube. I really thought I forgot to tell that. So we are going a live on the YouTube today. So what you can do? You can share the link with your friends. Sharing is always caring, So you can share the link with your friends and let them study too. Okay. Yes. Now, time for the surprise. Right. Are you all ready? Name, ma'am. So can you give the links for them? So Vishak sir will give the links of the YouTube, okay? And you can share it. Now, ready for the surprise? If you are ready, what you will do? A double thumbs up. Why chlorine is 34.5? We will deal that with the next class, okay? In the upcoming chapter, we will deal that is nothing but average and isotopes, okay? In order to know that, you should study a bit more, okay? We will learn the isotopes and the atomic masses of the isotopes, and we will take the average of those two. Then we will get this number, okay? Yes. Now, we have a double thumbs up over there. Ma'am, you're gonna say there is a class 2 or something? What is 2? Yes, ready for the surprise. And here we have a musical section now. Ta-da! Oh, where is she, ma'am?
Yes, she is here. Shall I unmute her?
Yes. Name, I forgot.
Chanya.
Chanya is ready for a musical band. Okay, she's a leader of that band, I guess. Right, Chanya? Can we hear from you? We are eagerly waiting. Every students are eagerly waiting.
Audible, I don't know why.
Chanya. Yes, Chanya. We are all eagerly waiting for your song, Especially me. Yes. Heard like you are in a band and you're leading it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And she was like, who told you that, ma'am? All right. Can we hear from you?
Can I just drop my deposit?
Of course you can. Of course. So, let's hold on for 10 seconds. Is that enough for you? Yeah, 10 seconds or maybe 1 minute. Okay. Yes. So, everything about the atomic mass is clear for everyone, right? Name, ma'am. Sir, where's the link for them? Sir have a short memory, We have to keep on reminding them. So, that's about the atomic mass. Now the next thing that we have to study is nothing but how do the atoms exist? How are they existing? We have to study that, okay? How is the atoms existing? They exist as burgers, they can exist as sandwiches, they can exist as biryani, of course.
Ma'am, we have.
She's here, okay?
No, we have
No.
a hand raise.
We have a hand raise. Who's that, ma'am?
Kashinath.
Kashinath, yes, Kashinath.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
That
what
if
is
we
it?
don't know the atomic, ma'am, if we don't know the atomic mass of a certain element, so how can we find it out?
How can you find it out? The atomic mass of the elements by relating with the carbon 12.
Okay, ma'am, but you told if they don't weigh equally, So like, how can we do that? We don't have any scale
Actually,
for atoms.
actually, that was like an assumption, okay? And later on, we discover the atomic mass by counting the number of neutrons and the protons. Okay, that is exactly not like this. It was Dalton's theory, you know. Later on, we will study the exact thing, okay? In the next chapter, we will learn detailedly about the atomic mass. How can we calculate the atomic mass? And that is the real thing, okay? It was all Dalton's, you know. Of course, disadvantages are there. Yes, ma'am. Chania is here. Let's encourage her. Yes, Chania, you can do it. Okay, come on. Yes.
I think I'll go for the song Love Song by the Backstage.
Okay.
It's really like peaceful.
Okay, fine. Wait a second. You're not audible.
Is it not audible? Okay, let me just disconnect my head.
No, it's okay now. It's okay.
Yeah, your voice is audible, but not the guitar.
Oh, when she'll disconnect her
Yeah.
headset.
Yes, you can do that. Can you try that again? She's trying it. Okay, hold on. Wait.
You can hear me now.
Yes, I can.
It's not complicated. This is focused on you when you listen. No competition. Yes, I mean, I think you're not. I'm okay. Baby, I've been keeping that game. So, moving on mine. Who got you tonight? You've been about it with your here's basically calling me someone. Not a dream, and my words less than time. I miss my people, but I think you when you listen. Ain't no competition. You're feeling for attention, and you tell me I'm not okay. So baby, I've been thinking that you ain't been saying that. Moving on your mind, who got you tonight? Moving about it without breaking. In the car, and I am truly like my word. Listen,
Done already? I was just enjoying it and you stopped it all of a sudden. Oh my god, you're so talented. Oh my god, I'm a big fan of yours now. Really like your voice. How can you sing like that? It's really mind blowing. I liked it. You have a lot of comments in the comments. You should have seen that. They are like big fans.
Yes.
Oh, that really melted me. It's really good, you know? I have no words. Ma'am, can you tell her voice is mesmerizing? Of course. Your voice is like so magical. Oh, I'm falling for you. Okay, that was really good. Now, can you sing that again?
Hey, again, you want more?
Yeah, can you sing one more song for us? If you don't mind?
Yeah, that's good.
You guys need it, right? Can you sing one more for us? Wait a second. What was the name of the first song? Someone is really asking for it.
That song is called Love Songs and it's by Kash Page.
Okay, love song. Okay, I hope you got it. It was wow.
It's
Yes.
Love Songs.
Okay, come on, one more. Okay.
I realized something when I knew I should, that the world was made up of further flow. That boy. So I cry sometimes in the just to get it on, but it's I feel you, I live up with you. So every step by side, take a deep breath, and I get the heart night. Skip the top, I know what's going on. If I said, So I just to get it on. What's in I'm feeling step outside and I take a deep breath and I get the heart. It's give at the top of my lungs. Oh,
Really? I'm falling for you again and again and again. Oh, that was so nice. I feel like I'm in a heaven. Oh, that was mind blowing. Even but it was breaking in between. But no matter what, you are so talented. Keep doing it, okay? No matter what, don't ever stop it, okay?
Very good,
So-
Sanya. We loved it.
We loved it, and everyone in the comment box, everyone is like, mind-blowing voice, and it is better than K-pop, excepting the fire, and her voice is so easy. Yes,
Lot of comments coming up in the chat box, ma'am.
you should really have to see that, Sanya. Very good. Okay, hands off. Good job. Okay, good job. Keep doing it. And I'm expecting more songs in the upcoming classes. Okay, because I'm in love with you. Is that Manoj? What do you think? Of course. He's here. Okay. Alright, alright. Everyone is a fan of you now.
Everyone is very active in Christeena ma'am's session. I'm seeing chat box.
Everyone is so
interactive.
active, you know. And Sanya made it so active.
Sanya performed
Very
a
good.
superb
Her
song.
performance
Made
was
the class
mind-blowing.
more
Yes.
what is it, worthy.
Mind blowing.
Is there anyone watching the session in YouTube?
Manas, can you please come on camera? Of course, no. I'm not going to bring him on the camera, okay? So you can leave now. Bye bye. Alright, alright.
Ma'am, everyone knows that, right? Our sessions are going live on YouTube
Yeah,
as
they
well.
already know that.
Guys, please do share our session, live session links
We
to your
told
friends.
you, right? Sharing is caring. You can share with your friends and let them join the class. Yes, now get back to the study. Study time, okay? Study time, get back. Hello, get back. Now, how does atoms exist? We are way more active in ma'am's class than in Manoj's. He saw that, okay, Eric? You're done in the next class, I think. Alright, no worries. Teacher's physics. Middle of the chemistry class? No. Can you ask Manoj sir to draw an atom? Can you do that, sir? Can you do that?
You'll be jealous, guys.
He can draw a sandwich instead of an atom, I think. Sir is jealous. Of course he is. Now, get back to the studies. We have to complete the portions, you know. How do the atoms exist? Atoms can be in the combined form or it can exist alone, like whom? Like your favorite. The atoms can exist together. Can you give the example for that? Atoms can exist together. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen cannot exist alone, you know. He's not like someone else. It is not like that. He cannot be alone. He want a partner always. He cannot be alone. So he take another one along with him all the time. So they exist as two hydrogen. So H2, they cannot exist alone. They can exist in a combined form. Okay. I am scared to be alone. And we have what? O2, N2. They are all existing together. Now we have, guess who? Guess who's here? Guess. Have a guess. After Naruto, who's gonna come next? Shrek? Really? Ah, Sasuke, and he can exist alone. Okay, the atoms can exist alone like Sasuke, and they can be together like Naruto. Okay, so atoms can exist together like hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. They cannot exist alone, of course. They will be in a combined form. They cannot exist independently. They are dependent. Now, Sasuke, Manu sir, please sing a song by Aman sir.
Ma'am, is this an anime session or chemistry session?
Anime, of course. Anime comes chemistry. They all like anime. You know, they are big fans of anime, and of course, mine too. They are fan of mine too, right? Yeah. Anyway, Baba Black Sheep. I don't want to hear him sing that. You know, it is so boring. Alright.
Ma'am, they're asking, do you want spoilers?
Spoilers? No, I don't want
Guys,
spoilers.
ma'am is a die-hard anime fan.
Of course, yes. So I'm in the middle of fourth ninja war. Fourth grade ninja war.
How old are you, ma'am?
Come on, there's
Age doesn't matter. Age is not a matter according to chemistry, sir. Age doesn't matter, right? You know that. Manu says sing a song by Amal sir. Do you want to continue the class? Listen to me now, okay?
Ma'am, I'll stop disturbing. You can go
Say,
ahead.
can you please get out from the class?
Bye, guys.
It's good to leave here. Good riddance. Say go! Alright. Age and looks doesn't matter for anime and chemistry. Of course, Kashina. Of course.
Correct, Isha.
Ma'am, you are 43, right?
Correct.
Do you really think I'm 43? Do I look that aged? Actually, you know, I'm 20. Why are you
10 years
laughing?
before.
10 years before saying get out, I told you to get out from the class, right? Alright, get back to the studies. Come on now. I thought you are 16. Alright, so the atoms can exist alone. Who are the atoms can exist alone? Noble gases, of course, right? They are all like single person. They are all singles, right? They don't want any other companions. They can exist alone. Like whom? Like helium, neon, argon. They can exist alone. Have you ever seen He2? Never. No, they cannot exist together. They are always like single person. Okay, they can exist alone, even they can exist together. So the atoms that they are together is called as molecules. Okay, now the next thing that we have to study is about the molecules. Before that, take a screenshot of this. Okay. Atoms of the most element are very reactive and do not exist in the free state, like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. So they cannot exist alone. Only the atoms of noble gases can exist in the free state. Okay, they are in the free state. They are always alone. Noble gases.
Ma'am,
Noble gases.
pose for the screenshot, please.
Pose. Okay, kick. Let me kick. I cannot pose like for a long time, you know. Thank you. Alright. So that's about this. And the next thing that we have to study is about the molecules. Molecules is really interesting, you know. What are molecules? We learned that atoms cannot exist alone unless it's a noble gas. Okay, all other atoms can combine with each other and they form molecules. What is molecules now? A group of atoms. Ma'am, I always cringe photos. No, Chris, I'm posing for not to taking the cringe photos, okay? I'm posing, right? You have to take at that exact moment. So molecules are nothing but group of atoms. Okay, group of atoms, they are chemically bonded, are called as a molecule. For example, hydrogen. Two atoms of hydrogen chemically combined. Okay, and they have a bond between them, we can call that as a hydrogen bond. And what we have, that is covalent bond. Okay, forgot that. And this is what hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule. Now another one, nitrogen have a bond between them. That's again covalent bond. You will study that in the higher classes. And that is nothing but N2. Yes. And we have what? Oxygen, O2. Two or more atoms combined together by a chemical bond is called as a molecule. Now we have three atoms. Three atoms. What is this? Umbrella of the earth, O3, ozone, right? We have ozone, again a molecule consisting of three atoms of oxygen. They are all same atoms, but we have atoms of different, molecules of different atoms too. For example, HCl. HCl is what? HCl is a molecule where they are consisting of two different atoms. We have hydrogen and chlorine. They are consisting of different atoms. And they are compounds, ma'am. Yes, molecules of compound. I'll tell you that, okay? Now we have the famous one. Hydrochloric acid, question mark. Yes. So, what is that now? What is this now? What is that? Of course, water molecule. Water molecule is consisting of two hydrogen and one oxygen. So what are molecules? The group of atoms combined together. They are the group of atoms. Group of atoms. They can be two or more than two. They can be made up of similar type of atom or different type of atom. For example, what do we have over there? Who's that now? Have you ever watched that animation or cartoon?
Yeah, is
Whatever
it
it is.
Shaun the Sheep? Shaun the Sheep?
Shaun the Sheep, of course, yes. So atoms can be made up of similar type of atom. They can be made up of similar type of atoms like H2, O2, N2. They are all made up of same type of atom. Okay, same type of atom. And I can call this as molecule of elements. I can call that as a molecule of elements. Okay, they are all made up of same type of atom. Same type of atoms. Okay, so molecule of elements are made up of same type of atom. Okay, same type of atom. Now we have molecules of different atoms. Molecules made up of different atoms. Who are they now? Except the same characters in the Shaun the Sheep, but they are different. Two sheep and one doggy, right? I don't know the names of them, of course. Christeena, though, it's like good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Are you late to the class or I am early to the class? I didn't get it. Anyway, this is nothing but, let's take an example of carbon dioxide. Carbon and two oxygen, carbon dioxide. Or like what? H2O, right? And oxygen and two hydrogen atom, H2O. They are made up of different atoms of different elements. And I can call this as molecule of compound. Okay, that is what? Molecule of compound. Okay, molecule of compound. Okay, and we have another example. This one, like HCl, of course, HCl, molecule of compound. They are not molecule of element. They are made up of different elements, different atoms of elements, different atoms of different elements. Okay. Carbon will die for oxygen cause carbon dioxide. Oh, I really liked it. Who said that, ma'am?
That was Kashinath.
Kashinath, I really liked it. I'll tell this in the another class, okay, or in 10th or in 8th or 7th. Yeah, of course. So carbon will die for oxygen. Carbon will die for oxygen because it is carbon dioxide. Oh, goodness, I liked it. Okay, when I was young, I won't even eat dinner if that was not on TV. I was so much in love with that show. It's a really cute cartoon, right? I always liked it. And I really miss those old days. I don't think it is still now, right? Still is this cartoon exist? I don't know. What was the anime name? It's not like an anime, it's like a cartoon, okay? And Shun the Sheep. It is Shun the Sheep. Okay? That's it. So molecule can be made up of same type of atom, so that we can call that as a molecule of element. And the molecule can be consisting of different type of atom, that is molecule of compound. Okay, molecule of compound. If a person born in a car and dies outside, does it make him carbon dioxide? I really liked it. I like those kind of jokes, you know. Really liked it. That is a kind of good joke. Okay, it was not lame. Man, the cartoon stopped in 2020. Really? Yeah. Even though it was a good one. So the next thing that we have to study is nothing but atomicity. The simplest topic that I have ever learned and I ever taught. Because it is the most simplest one. What is atomicity? The number of atoms is called as atomicity. Number of atoms in a molecule is atomicity. How simple, right? So what is atomicity? The total number of atoms present in a molecule is atomicity. How easy, right? For example, I have hydrogen. What is the atomicity of hydrogen in this molecule? Hydrogen molecule. What is the atomicity? It is nothing but number of atoms. How many number of atoms are there? We are on 9th grade and we know to count it, right? 1 and 2. So what is the atomicity of hydrogen molecule? 2. Simple. Ta-da. And I'm really happy to teach you this because simplest one, right? Everyone can understand this, and even an LKG student can understand this. That is the main thing about the atomicity. Your 2 looks like a Z. That was a 2. Okay, not a Z. 2. I will say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yes, of course, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Don't tell me that looks like a duck. That is 2. Okay. Now, what is the atomicity of ozone? Ma'am, unmute one for me. Quick.
Yes, Vishlan.
Vishlan. Vishlan wished to say this, right? I knew it.
No.
Yes. Can you tell me the atomicity of ozone?
3.
3. Very good. 1, 2 and 3. 3 atoms. So now total number of atoms is equal to atomicity. She's really happy. Yes, ma'am. I did it. Yes, that's it. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is the atomicity of the ozone. Okay. Now, atomicity. Based on the number of atoms, we can divide the molecules into this is even more simpler. Okay, we have monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and tetratomic, and we have one more. I'll tell you that later. Okay, so the atoms or the molecules with a one atom, okay, with a one atom is called as monoatomic. Mono refers to one. Mono refers to what? Mono. 1. Okay, mono always refers to 1. If there is only one atom, monoatomic. And remember, all the what? The noble gases. All the noble gases are monoatomic. Remember this, no matter what, they will ask this in the exam. Okay, all the noble gases are what? All the noble gases are monoatomic. All the noble gases are monoatomic. Why am I keep on repeating this? Because this will be asked in the exam. Okay, and in the daily exam too. So study this, okay? So where will you get a teacher like me? That telling the answers and the questions that is coming in the exam, right? Okay, 2 marks fixed. 2 marks fixed. What am I doing actually? Alright, because I don't want you to score low marks, that's the thing. Okay, you are the best. I knew it. Alright, so all the noble gases are monoatomic and they will be having only one atom. They are existing alone. Okay, they are existing alone. I will check the scores after the exam. And if anyone getting wrong with this question, you're done. Okay, you're done. I'm not going to admit you in the next class. Okay, if you are getting wrong in that question. Count on me. So noble gases will be having only one atom in it. So we can call that as a monoatomic. And if they have two atoms, diatomic, because we have hydrogen H2, two hydrogen atoms, and O2, two oxygen atoms, Cl2, two chlorine atoms, HCl, one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. They are consisting of two atoms. Di always refers to two. Okay. Di always refers to two. So 2. Okay. Now, next one. As expected, triatomic. Tri always refers to 3. If they have 3 atoms in it, they are called as triatomic. H2O, carbon dioxide, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. And CO2, 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom, total of 3 atoms in a molecule. So triatomic. And O3, how simple, right? O3, 3 atoms of oxygen. Horror, like a granny or a Roblox horror game, but the character or the Christeena, because it got wrong, she will leave us alone until the same question correct 2 times for the exam. You made a horror story out there? Yeah, that's about the triatomic. What is the next? Ma'am, we can never get any other teachers like you because there is no one like you. So, let's continue, okay? Tetratomic, I'm good at acting. I'll be getting so many expressions. So, what is next? Tetratomic. What is tetra refers to? Very good. It's like, I promise you, ma'am, I will get full score. Good. Tetratomic, 4 atoms. And P4, NH3, SO3, 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. 1 plus 3, 4. And SO3, 1 sulfur and 3 oxygen. 1 plus 3, again 4 tetratomic. Okay, tetratomic. P4 is phosphorus, okay. P is phosphorus, NH3 is ammonia, and this sulfur trioxide, okay. Yes. Ma'am, is 2 and small 2 a tetratomic molecule? No! 2. No, you cannot go and write like a 2. Let me change the color of the pen. You cannot go and write like 2 and no, that's not a molecule. That's of course not a molecule. This is nothing but 2 atoms of nitrogen. We are talking about the molecules, right? Molecules with a 2 atom, that is N2. N2, okay. This is a molecule. This is not a molecule. These are atoms, okay, different atoms of nitrogen. Now we are talking about this. So you cannot go and write like 2n, or you cannot just write 2n square. No, that is not how we represent it. No, you cannot go like that is wrong. This is again wrong. It is n2. It should be a subscript, okay? Yes. Yes, that's it. Is there a molecule with a half 5? What should we write? Good question, Nabila. Very good. So, the upcoming ones. If we have more than 4 atoms, what we will do? Good question. If we have more than 4, what we will do? We can call that as a polyatomic. Okay, there is atomic after that. Okay, it is called as polyatomic. Why are we calling that also polyatomic? Because we have more than 4 atoms. Poly refers to many. Okay, where's my M? Many. Polyatomic. More than 4 is polyatomic. For example, H2SO4. How many atoms are? What is the atomicity of H2SO4? Let me check how many of you understood this. What is the atomicity of H2SO4? Meanwhile, we'll call someone. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Time to call one.
Yes, let's call Marcus.
Marcus?
Yes, ma'am.
Marcus, can you tell me what is the atomicity of H2SO4?
H2 raised to S4.
H2SO4 atomicity.
Once again. The first one, 2.
2.
There's another one is 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7.
7?
No, not 2 plus 7. I mean, it will turn into 7.
It will turn into 7 totally, right? Very good. That's it. Let me change the pen. Yes. 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen atom. Total of 7. Human is like 6. Why 6 human? Did I miss out a sulfur in between? You cannot miss out anything, okay? You will lose marks. So 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen atom. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is not 6. Okay? Those who got 6, you don't know to count. Okay? It is 7. So it is called as a polyatomic. Now another example, S8. S8. What is the atomicity of S8 now? Now another one.
Let's unmute Mishika.
Mishika. What is the atomicity of S8?
8.
8, of course. Are you fooling me, ma'am? Alright, it is S8. Now another example, C6H12O6. Now tell me, what is the atomicity of this? C6H12O6.
Should I unmute?
No, the comments. I want the answers in the comment. Everyone is going ahead with the 24. Very good. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Yes, 24 is the atomicity. Good job. And they are polyatomic. And they are polyatomic because they have more than 4 atoms in the molecule. Okay. And now I have a question for you. And atomicity of I2. What is the atomicity of I2? Right after this, I am going to wind up. Okay. So what is the atomicity of I2? I2. I2 is 2 and it is diatomic. Very good. So it is 2 and diatomic. What is Na2SO4 now? Na2SO4. 2 sodium atom, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen atom, a total of 7. 7 is the atomicity and we can call that as a polyatomic molecule. Yes, that's it. You have learned so much today, right? Is everything clear for you? Is everything clear? Easy, ma'am. Yes, yes. Are you all 100% satisfied with the topics that I have taught you? Are you 100% confident that I learned everything? Easy? Yes. Are you all that confident? 100% sure, ma'am. 101%? Good job. Ma'am, definition of molecule of elements and the compounds. Molecule of elements are consisting of same type of atoms. Okay. Molecule of compounds consisting of... Can you show that? I don't have the definition for that. I'll tell you that. Okay. So molecule of compound is consisting of different type of atoms of different elements. Okay. And the examples are very, very much simple, man. Okay, H2O2, N2O3, they are all atoms of elements. And H2O, carbon dioxide, H2SO4, they are all molecules of compound. Okay. Okay. Name is chemistry wale G2 said. What is that, ma'am? Your chemistry channel. Do you have a chemistry channel? Chemistry Sir's channel. Okay. Well, I'll check on that. Okay. Alright. If everyone is ma'am sing, you will run out from the class if I sing. Okay. And especially we have Chani over here. She'll be like laughing over me. Okay. I don't want that. So I'm gonna move forward with the exam time. Time for an exam. Okay. Yes, sir, can you please activate the exam? Exam time. And can you promise me that you will get full scores in this exam? Yes. Ma'am, I can prove this, ma'am, wrong. Of course, you have to prove it because we have studied everything, right? And if you look into the first question, you might be like, yes, of course. And the second question, what? And the third question, what happened over here? You should be thinking like that, right? Ma'am, you always have a special picture every time. Yeah. You have to bring something special every day, right? Very relatable. But not in my exam. I ate a protein bar. It tastes like a metal. Really? I also have to eat the protein bar so that I can get stronger. Chemistry is special thanks to you. Thank you. I really liked it. Mr. Bean. Yes. Have you watched this episode of Mr. Bean? He's writing the exam. He'll take the entire pens and the span there and every toys from the pouch. And it's really funny. You have to watch this episode, okay? If you have time, just please do watch this. This is really, really, really fun like a hell. So you have to watch it, okay? I love that episode. Me too. It's like so funny. How can he act like that? I don't know. He's so funny. Especially this one. It's my favorite. Yes. Is the exam activity said? No, not yet. Why? But why said? Alright. So recollect all the points that you have learned. Recollect all the points before the exam so that you can get 100% score. Yes. Meanwhile, what we will do? Vishak sir, can you sing a song for us?
No,
No? Yes, we can, sir.
I don't know how to sing.
Vishak sir is good at singing, you know, but he's a bit shy. That's why. Is it a chapter test? No, it's a normal test. Okay. The person behind Mr. Bean is like, why I'm still here, just to suffer thinking and racking my brain writing the exam. Only till episode 6. Alright. Is it exciting, ma'am? Can I go to the washroom?
Just 1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute. Yes. Meanwhile, you can take the extra questions, right? Take down the extra questions, okay? Take down the extra questions. Simplest questions that I have ever seen. So take it down and write it, okay? Mahi ma'am will sing, definitely. Yes, ma'am.
I'm a terrible singer.
It's
Oh
okay.
my god.
It's okay, ma'am. You can sing.
The problem is I don't listen to pop songs.
No, we don't want pop song. We don't want pop
I
song.
think the exam is active, ma'am. Yes, let them write the
Fate
exam
decides
and
everything, right? We love terrible songs, ma'am.
let them write the exam. And
Let
come
them
back.
write the
Like,
exam
meanwhile, I-
peacefully,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, then let them have a peaceful exam.
exactly.
10 by 10, I finished, everyone got finished. And those who have doubt, you can raise your hand, okay? How to add some protein powder, add some milk, sir, get out from my way. Add some of the protein powder. I forgot to tell you guys to add some more protein powder, then blend it, then add some protein powder. This is like how to make water. So first, let's take a tap water, let's freeze it, and let's take the frozen ice, and then melt it in the oven or something. Let's melt it and mix it well with another hot water, and take that water and keep it in the oven again, and let's take it, mix well with the distilled water, and heat it, boil the water and cool it to the normal temperature. You will get the water. Okay. Okay, stop to make water. Ma'am, you know the tutorials on how to drink water on YouTube.
Yes.
Yes, how to drink water. How to drink water. Where's my water bottle? It's missing. Okay, I'll show you that in the next class. Okay. Like the class link.
Ma'am,
itself.
Sahil is like, ma'am, can I sing a song?
Yes, of course, Sahil. Yes, ma'am, can you please unmute Sahil for me?
Sure.
10 on 10, ma'am. Everyone watch that channel, How to Basic. I'll watch it, okay? Yes.
Yes, Sahil.
Here is a special water, $1,000.
Hello?
Yes, you can sing a song for us.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'll be singing Basuri, ma'am.
Alright.
Nice.
My favorite one. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So I'll start.
All my ears are now
अगर
perfectly.
वो मजबूरी हो आन जान दी पसूरी हूँ जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जाऊँ मैं पूरी हूँ आन सियों नहीं आया दिल बाँग बाँग मैं टकराया कि दस जावे पावं क्यों दी चोरी हूँ रवांच पवांच हनूल कम कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे डोल जुदाइयों दिखी वो भी ए जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होए ए बनिया बनइयो दी गल बात की वह होगी ए जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होए भूल गई मजबूरी हूँ दुनिया दी दस्तूरी हूँ साथ तेरा है बतेरा पूरा कर जरूरी हूँ आलसियों ने आया प्रार्थना दिखलाया दिल हमारा बेसहारा ख्वाहिशात अधूरी हूँ वारी में जावा मैं तेनू बुला गल सारी था होवे मेरे डोल जुदाइयों दी तेनू खबर की वह होगी ए जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे पूरा भी ना होवे
Wow.
All talented
So good.
singers in one class. I really can't believe it.
Yes.
How are you guys singing like this? I don't even understand. Oh, amazing. Nice song, very good. And the comment box are filled now. Trust me, you guys are amazing, okay? Very good, children. Very good. I really liked it. And do anyone have to sing other songs? Ma'am, sing a song for us. Time to say goodbye. Love your singing. Very good, children. Yes. I love you guys. You made my day like. I'm so happy, you know. Last class.
Kashinath sang for the school band ceremony.
Really? And in the next class, I'm gonna sing. I will not sing. I'll make you sing, okay? Okay. Later, ma'am. Next class, I'll sing. Okay. Smia, right? Smia. Ma'am, don't forget the name Smia.
Sure.
Okay.
Smia and
Smia.
Kashinath.
Smia and Kashinath. Okay.
And we have Christeena,
Chrislyn.
who is a singer, but I don't know why she won't unmute.
Alright. So I hope everyone understood everything. If anyone have any doubt, you can just raise your hand now. And I'm gonna count 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No hand raises, no doubts. Okay, time to say goodbye now. I love you guys and I will meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye-bye. Before that, study everything and come. Okay, otherwise, I will not laugh. I will be so serious in the class and you will see my another face. Okay, if you don't want that, do you love Minions, ma'am? Of course, yes. So if you don't want that serious face on my look or on my face, please study and come, okay? And I'll see you in the next class. Until then,
Have a
good.
hand raise?
We have a hand rise. Finally, we have a hand rise, okay? Yes, who is that, ma'am?
Said.
Said, yes, Said.
No? I
Said?
think he raised it. by mistake.
Accidentally raised it.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, good night, kiddos. Good night. I love you all. Thank you. Did he say thank you?
Yes, I.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello. Say. Yes, Said. Ma'am, can you please unmute him?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. How is your day? How are you doing? Good.
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm doing great. You guys made my day like happy. I'm so happy now. Thank you for asking anyway.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts, Said?
No, he just wanted to ask
No,
how
ma'am.
your day was.
Oh, how nice. How lovely kids that I got. I should cry now. So remove me and I have to cry now. Anyway, thank you, okay? Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Good night.